Gus Schmidt back with a new trading video. So today I'm on the pocket option platform and I'm going to be trading OTC currency pairs utilizing one indicator. And that indicator is the Fractal Chaos Band. So if we click on the indicator button, the Fractal Chaos Bands is right here. And when we click on it, we see these two band lines here. The upper band, which is the green line, and the lower band, which is the red line. And in the indicator setting, we're going to maintain the default settings, which is period 2. And for the candlestick chart, I'm going to have my candle set to 1 minute regular Japanese candles. And for my trade timer, we're going to set it to 1 minute or 60-second trades. Okay, so I'm going to pause the video and look for some setups. Okay, so I'm on the UAH USD OTC pair here. And if you notice, the red candle, the previous red candle, closes outside the band line here. So when that occurs, it's suggesting a breakout to the downside. So as soon as that candle closed, I took a sell trade or a put trade in the direction of the trend here, which, as you can see, it's a bearish trend. So let's monitor this trade and wait for the expiry. Okay, so it's breaking out to the downside here. So we wait for the candle to close first outside the band line here. Okay. Okay, so we won that trade here. Okay. All right, so I'm going to pause the video and look for another setup. Okay, I'm on the Euro Russian ruble OTC pair. And if you notice here, this candle uh, is outside the upper boundary of the Fractal Chaos Band. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to wait for the candle to close outside the band and take a buy trade. All right. So the candle just barely closed outside the band line here, but I'm still predicting a bullish breakout to the upside. So let's monitor this trade and wait for the expiry. As we see here, there's a general upward trend in the currency pair, which aligns with our bullish prediction. A couple of seconds left. Okay, so we won that trade. So let me pause the video and look for another setup. Okay, so I'm on the Aussie dollar, US dollar, and the candle, this red candle, so long as it closes outside the lower boundary of the Fractal Chaos Band, I'm going to take a sell trade. All right, so I just took a sell trade in the direction of in the downward direction here. Candle closed below under the chaos band line here, suggesting a breakout to the downside. So let's monitor this trade and wait for the expiry. About 10 seconds left. Okay, so we won that trade also. Okay, so if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share, and if you're interested in trading this strategy, there's a link to the platform in the video comments and in the channel description. Thank you for watching. Gus Schmidt, Fractal Chaos Bands Strategy.